Stock markets in Europe and Asia advanced for a second straight day Tuesday after Wall Street rallied from its worst week ever. Trading was brisk at the New York Stock Exchange, but the market lost ground as investors took profits. Still, confidence appeared to be returning to financial markets after the U.S. government announced plans to buy shares in private banks. Treasury Secretary Henry Paulson said although government ownership is objectionable to some, the alternative is far worse.
Today, we are taking decisive actions to protect the U.S. economy. We regret having to take these actions. Today's actions are not what we ever wanted to do, but today's actions are what we must do to restore confidence in our financial system.
The $250 billion allocated to buy preferred bank shares would come from the Bush administration's financial rescue package. 9 U.S. banks are initially taking part, but Paulson says government conditions will apply.
Institutions that sell shares to the government will accept restrictions on executive compensation, including a clawback provision and a ban on golden parachutes during the period the Treasury holds equity issued through this program.
The U.S. plan follows similar actions by European governments, which recently pledged about $2 trillion to rescue their own banks. Like the European plan, President Bush said the initiative will help thaw frozen credit markets and encourage banks to start lending again.
This new capital will help healthy banks continue making loans to businesses and consumers. And this new capital will help struggling banks fill the hole created by losses during the financial crisis so they can resume lending and help spur job creation and economic growth.
Although most investors welcomed the plan, some were cautious. New York trader Alan Valdez says markets could remain volatile for some time.
You know, in 29, after the crash, we had rallies. In 87, after the crash, we had rallies, only for them to implode and come back down. So traders aren't buying this 100% yet.
Besides injecting billions of dollars into U.S. banks, the initiative also provides guarantees for new debts as well as expanded deposit protection for small business accounts. The government is also encouraging banks to work with homeowners to reduce the number of foreclosures. Arcega, VOA News.